Welcome to this video tutorial on integrating LoRa devices with the OCTOBUS IoT platform. In this tutorial, we will guide you through easy steps to connect your LoRa device to OCTOBUS, enabling you to remotely monitor and control it. Although there are many LoRa network providers available, we will focus on integrating with the Things Stack, a popular LoRaWAN network server. To begin, register for LoRa networks and prepare your devices for OCTOBUS integration. Go to the Things Stack website, id.thethingsnetwork.org. Log in to your account. Once logged in, you will need to decide if you want to synchronize devices based on your user, a specific application, or an entire organization. Navigate to the appropriate section to create your API key. For this tutorial, we will create a key at the application level, so click on Applications and choose the one where your devices are located. Now it's time to create an API key for OCTOBUS integration. In the API Keys section, click the plus Add API Key button. Provide a name for the key, select the Grant All Current and Future Rights option, and then click the Create API Key button. A window will appear displaying the new key. Copy the newly created API key immediately, because the secret value will no longer be accessible once the window is closed. Also, store your relevant ID, in this case, your application ID, and the copied API key in a safe place. You will need them to complete the integration with OCTOBUS. After you have copied the key, click the I have copied the key button to close the window. Congratulations! You have successfully created an API key for OCTOBUS integration and will now see it in your list of API keys. Next, log into your OCTOBUS account and open the System Admin menu. On the left-hand side, select Developer Console. This will bring you to a screen showing available integrations within OCTOBUS. To activate LoRa API integration, click the wheel icon next to it. This takes you to the LoRa Servers screen. Click Add Server. A pop-up window will appear. Choose the Things Stack option. Now you've entered the LoRa API Access screen. Enter the information from your Things Stack account. Under Authentication, you can choose to sync by User ID, Application ID, or Organization ID. Selecting User ID will sync all applications under your account, while Application ID or Organization ID will sync devices from that specific scope. For this tutorial, select the Application ID and API Key option. Input your Application ID and the API key you saved earlier. Click the Create button. Your application from the Things Stack is now added to OCTOBUS and displayed on the platform. Click on the application and press the Sync button. A new menu will appear, showing the devices available for synchronization. Choose your device from the list. If it's not immediately visible, use the search field and type the name of your device to find it. Once found, select the device and click Next. If you have searched and still cannot find your device, click the link labeled Couldn't find your sensor? Click here to register. This will take you to the OCTOBUS service portal, where you can submit a request to have your new device supported by the platform. Next, choose Asset Name and select the organization unit where you want to add the device and save it. You have now successfully synchronized your device with the OCTOBUS platform. Now go to the Asset tab and click the Asset Types button. Your new device or asset type should be displayed there. Then click the Assets button to confirm that your device appears as an asset in the system. With the platform and devices connected, you can now start viewing data. Go to the Dashboard section in the left-hand menu. Click Create New Dashboard. Give your dashboard a name, choose a widget type, and save it. From the list of widgets, choose the table chart. In this example, we've connected only one asset, so we'll select List of Last Measurement Values of one asset. Then click Next. Now in the Select Data screen, choose your asset type, the asset itself, and the specific measurements you want. In the Specified Time field, select the desired date range. Click Next again. In the visualization screen, click Create. Your dashboard is now ready. The table widget will appear, although it may be empty at first. You can resize it using the lock icon at the top right corner. Let's check if the sensor is working. The sensor in our example measures CO2 levels. Within a few moments, it starts collecting and displaying data in the OCTOBUS dashboard. To explore other ways of visualizing your data, please check out our additional tutorials.